All right, everybody, come sit around, the whiteboard. All right, so we're gonna be using our board here, and I'm gonna be writing down some of the problems we're gonna be using for this activity today. All right, and so since we're learning about addition and subtraction, we're gonna write down our first problem, which is going to be here. Let's get our marker. Number 1. Okay, ready? So this is going to be 3 plus 3. All right, that's going to be our first problem. Anybody want to add in? Just let me know. Second problem is going to be, let's see, let's do 5. Let's make it a little more difficult. We're going to do 5, but we're going to do subtraction for this one. 5 minus, 4. All right, moving on to our third problem. We're going to do 7 plus 1. All right, moving on to our fourth problem. Yay! We have to come up with 10, remember? Okay, let's do 2. We'll do 2 minus 2. Now our fifth, we're halfway there. Our fifth problem is going to be, let's see. Let's think here. Let's do 6. We haven't done 6 yet. 6 plus let's do 6 plus 4. Now for our sixth problem. Let's do we're gonna do 1 minus 1. For our seventh problem, let's do 3 again. We're gonna do 3 plus 2. For our eighth problem, let's do another subtraction problem. Let's do 5 minus 2. For our ninth problem, let's do 7 again. 7 plus 3. And for our last problem, number 10, let's think here. Let's do 4 minus 2. All right, so we got a couple addition problems in here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 addition problems, and then we got another 5 subtraction problems. So these are the problems that we're going to be using in class today for our fun activity, using our bodies to add and subtract. So we'll start with number 1 and go on.